Hey everyone, so today we're gonna make a bechamel. I'm sure I've done it before, but I'm gonna redo it. So bechamel, there's different kind of bechamel really, or white sauce. It depends how much flour and butter you're gonna put, and the consistence will be all different to make a gratin or to make a croque monsieur. So the one we're gonna make now is gonna be quite rigid, is to make a croque monsieur. So once your toasty is made and you're gonna bake it, the bechamel won't fall apart too much. But in a gratin, you will want a bit less flour to make it nice and soggy. So for this one, we got based on 500 gram of 500 gram of milk. You want 75 gram of butter. Okay. So this goes in a pan and it's gonna melt. So flour, we're gonna use the same amount as the butter, so 75 gram. I'm using a pan because I don't have tub near me, so it's just like a pot. So 75 gram. Yeah. And then you want some milk, 500, which is gonna have to be warmed up. So you can warm up in a pan, but then it creates too much washing. So put it in a plastic tub and in a microwave. But it has to be very hot. Yeah, 500. It doesn't fit! It doesn't fit! Need a small tub. Okay, now the butter turn a bit noisette, so it has colored. So now we're gonna put the flour. So burnt noisette is extra flavor, yeah? You don't have to. You can just use melted butter. As soon as melted, you add your flour. But it's nice to add a little dimension. So we're gonna wait for our milk. Okay, so this is hot now. See, it's steaming hot. So we're gonna put the butter back on the stove and pour the milk, yeah? See, it thickens straight away. And the rest. So you give a good whisk, a good boil, see? But you have to keep stirring, otherwise it's gonna burn. That's it, it's done. Now we're gonna season it. Bit of black pepper, bit of salt. Let's test it, yeah? See if it's seasoned enough. Yeah, it's good. So this now, I want to make croque monsieur with this bechamel. So I'm gonna add some cheese while it's warm, so it's gonna melt and it's gonna be a nice cheesy sauce. I nearly forgot my nutmeg. If there's no nutmeg, it's not a bechamel, it would be a white sauce. So ground nutmeg. Yeah, as much as you like, really. Here, I'm gonna just put 150 gram of grated Emmental. You can use cheddar or you can use Gruyere. but I quite like the Emmental. It has this nutty flavor, it's good. And that's gonna melt inside, yeah? Let's stir it until the oil is melted. That's it. Just done. So you reserve it into a bowl to cool down or flat on a tray. I think I'm gonna leave it in a pan and then I'm gonna make my croque monsieur straight away. That's all!